Hi guys, and welcome to another video. In this video I'm gonna show how to work with chess 960 positions in Chessbase 15, because once I tried this on my own there were not many tutorials and there was not even a single video about this, and I just needed to find it out by trying, and I want to share my kind of workaround for it with you, so that if you want to work with chess 960 positions in Chessbase 15, you can do it. So the first issue is, once you start a new game, you cannot really choose anything. You cannot choose to start a new chess 960 game. I think this is available in later versions, but not in Chessbase 15. Of course, you might think you could just set up the position as it is, but then there will be some issues with the castling rights in chess 960, because the engine, it won't realize that you set up a chess 960 position and the corresponding castling rights. So the solution to this is you can paste some chess 960 game into the notation. You can get this, for example, from lead chess. I will just show this, how to get this. So you copy paste a chess 960 position. You can, for example, go to your lead chess and copy one whole game which was played in the chess 960 mode, and then just paste it here into the notation. So once you pasted this here, Chessbase will realize that this is a chess 960 game, because the PGN file has some tag where it says variant chess 960. That's already the whole trick, because once you now press new game, you won't save it, but then there will pop up a menu which says which kind of chess you want to play, because it kind of realized that you were interested in chess 960. And then you just choose chess 960, and then you can enter your initial position, which have numbers from 1 to 960, and you can just choose your number. When you want to look up positions, you can just look it up on the internet, so you can enter your position and then enter the number, and you will have the according position. And also the castling rights are correct. Just for illustration, once we move the pieces around here, rook e1, f5, and now white should be able to castle short, which actually works. So that's my kind of workaround. Paste a PGN from a chess 960 game into your Chessbase 15, then start a new game, then look up the position you want to have and type in its number. That's already it, and you can work with it. Modern engines like Stockfish, they can deal with it, and they also can evaluate those chess 960 positions, also knowing about the castling rights. So that's it. Hope you enjoyed the video and it was helpful for you in case you work with chess 960. So hope to see you next time. Goodbye.